Welcome to the ultimate showdown between the LiTime 60A and a premium MPPT Solar Charge Controller. We'll compare features for 12 volts to 48-volt systems, focusing on Bluetooth and LiFePO4 battery compatibility. The LiTime 60A boasts a 60 amp max output and handles up to 3,200 watts of solar input at 48 volts, ideal for massive battery banks. The alternative offers a 35 amp output and up to 2,000 watts. In the box, the LiTime includes a remote temperature sensor, copper connectors, and heat shrink tubes, while the premium alternative provides only the basic unit and a manual. For terminals and setup, the LiTime features massive M8 screw terminals, a dedicated remote temperature sensor port, and an 485 rupees communication port. Both accept up to 6 Aruban Florins wire. LiTime's thermal design uses a massive heatsink for 100% passive cooling and handles sustained 60A loads without derating. The alternative has a smaller footprint but may derate power at high temperatures. The LiTime offers a built-in LCD screen and physical keys for instant live data and full settings adjustments. The premium alternative lacks an LCD and relies entirely on a smartphone app for data and adjustments. Both controllers support various battery chemistries, including LiFePO4, flooded, sealed, and GEL. The LiTime offers a fully customizable user mode via the app or LCD. For low-temp charging, LiTime includes a temperature probe to protect lithium cells and halts, charging below 32 degrees Fahrenheit. The alternative requires a separate purchase for cold weather protection. Both controllers feature built-in Bluetooth modules. LiTime uses the free LiTime Solar app, while the alternative uses the industry-standard Victron Connect app. LiTime provides real-time monitoring and basic historical logging. The alternative offers highly detailed metrics, 30-day deep historical data logging, and advanced wireless networking. Both controllers achieve 99.9% MPPT tracking efficiency. LiTime extracts 30% more power than traditional PWM, matching premium models in daily total yield. LiTime consumes about 120 watt-hours per day, largely due to the LCD screen. The alternative consumes less, about 50 watt-hours to 100 watt-hours per day, making it superior for strict microsystems. LiTime's DC load port is rated for a 20A continuous load with 17 operating modes. The alternative is rated for a full 35A load and includes an intelligent battery life management system. LiTime offers comprehensive system protections with clear, easy-to-read E-codes displayed instantly on the LCD. The alternative displays faults via blinking LED light codes or the app. Choose LiTime if you prioritize power, budget, and immediate manual control. Choose the alternative for superior data, ecosystem integration, and efficiency in microsystems.